Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart, and in this stock review video, we're going to take a look at Netflix, the long-term weekly and daily charts, and why I'm saying say hello to Mr. Bear. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're looking at Netflix on a long-term basis, and the nice thing about Netflix versus what we looked at on Nike on the previous video, Nike's long-term channel, either on a logarithmic or arithmetic chart, wasn't as nice and pretty in terms of a long-term channel as what we see here on Netflix. So this is on a semi-log, and you can see that the channel formation is really, really nice. We have an impulse wave 1 here from 2002 up and peaked in early, what was that, 2004. I had a very sharp pullback on an impulse wave. So you look at the bear moves that have happened here, 1 and 2, very, very strong. And of course, in this big impulse wave 3 here, you had kind of a big sideways stalled out move that went on for several years as Netflix was trying to get it figured out. And then it really accelerated coming out in, at the from the end of 2008 into 2009 up into peaking in 2011. And then we got a pretty severe correction again. Now, I'm calling this impulse wave 4. It does not overlap impulse wave 1, so that's perfect on the Elliott Wave count. I draw a parallel line between 2 and 4, projected out from 3. It almost perfectly aligns with 5. We do have a little bit of pullback or overlap over here, overshooting, what I call it here on the channel. But we've still got a really, really nice channel run. Now you look at this and you say, well, okay, look at this wave 5. I mean, it's kind of, Joe, you got this big number 1 here, and then a littler number 3, and then a very little 5. Well, yeah, sometimes 1 is a big extended move. I mean, every one of the impulses, 1, 3, or 5, usually extends. There's no guarantee as to which one it's going to be, but there's usually one that's going to extend. Normally it's 3, but there's nothing that says you can't have 1. Let's take a look at this on an arithmetic chart. Look at the difference. This is the same exact data, okay? This is the low for 4 in here in 2012. Now look at 1, and look at this flat A, B, C, sideways move, and then this rocket ship taking off right here for wave 3, this pullback wave 4, which should be black. I like to make my primary waves black. And then we get this 5th wave for the final move up. I mean, and that is one heck of a move up. I mean, basically talk about going, vertical. Okay. Now it doesn't show up quite so much on the semi-log chart, but the wave patterns are much more evident in here on a semi-log. So this is the picture. I believe we topped out here in December 2015. So what does that mean? Well, we've had 2 bear markets in here, 2 corrective moves. If we've had 5 waves up, we're going to have 3 waves back, and 3 waves back should break out of this channel. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. Where's this channel? We're talking about right in here at that's 40, 30, 20. That's $20 a share. Now, I'm not talking about timing. I'm not talking about how fast it's going to get there. I'm just saying when this whole move corrects, it's going to break out of this channel. Okay, let's take a look at the daily chart. So here's that peak that I talked about up here at $133. By the way, that low back in 2002 on a split adjusted basis was 44 cents. So the move, the 5-wave move, has gone from 44 cents to 133. That's one heck of a move. Now, here's the first corrective action that I'm seeing. I'm calling it either wave A or wave 1. B or 2, and now we're working. I think this is a zigzag. If this was a flat, it would have already come all the way back up to the beginning of A, and it hasn't done that. That's why I think we got a zigzag. And now we're counting a 1, 2, and looking for a 3rd minor wave down. So that's the wave structure we're looking at. It fits in with the corrective mode that we're now looking for on Netflix, and I think the entire move has had its run, and now it's got to digest all of that. All right, that's it. If you found the video helpful, click the up signal, hit the like button, and remember to share the video. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.